Wow! The hills are alive, baby, with the sound of music. Hey, what's up, guys? We are back at it, and we have made it to Mount Rainier National Park in the great state of Washington. That's right, ladies and gents, we've made it from Florida all the way across the country to the great state of Washington in this beautiful national park. We're on Paradise Road, which leads right to... I can't even speak, I'm so happy. This Paradise Road leads right to the Reflection Lake, which has an amazing view of Mount Rainier. I've been super lucky with the weather recently. I've heard the Pacific Northwest is notorious for being overcast and drizzling all the time, but this week, look at it. It's been 80, even low 90s. Jeez, a heat wave. No rain, not even a cloud in sight. We got the beautiful sun rays popping through the forest here. The Rainier Forest. Ah, we got nice tarmac. Look at this. Fresh new paint. I like that. What they need to do here is have some speed limit signs, but that's another question. But they got some weird bumps in the road, though. It's not flat. It looks flat. It's all bumpus. Bumpkiss. And then tomorrow, we're gonna head towards Yellowstone National Park in, I believe it's Montana. But let's see. Oh, we got some squiggles. These are tight little snakes. Tight little snaky snakes. Sometimes the light popping through the trees is a little hypnotizing. You can't see where the road is. You can't see where heaven begins and the earth stops. Is that what they say? I think so. Whoa. Second gears up here. Thank God for Google Maps. Because they don't put no signs around here. Like this one here is a tight one. Oh, see? You'll ease off. This might be TMI, but I've been having to go number 2. And usually there's a guard station with a bathroom right at the front. There wasn't shit. So now I gotta freaking hold it till you get to somewhere. The good thing about adrenaline is that it sometimes sucks it right back up into you, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean. This road is not for brisk riding. It is scenic. It's a scenic one. It's all these shadows in the road that make you second guess things. And there's no second guessing in motorcycle touring, grand touring. This road is technically technical. Whoa, it's no... Made me get off it. I can't see the roads. Too many colors in it. Where's the road? Whoa! Shadows and dust. Watch out for hikers. Watch out for that guy. Where's the bathroom? There's no bathrooms. I need to use the bathroom. Where's the bathroom? Faster I ride, quicker I can find a bathroom, but also the bumpier it gets, the more I have to clench. Ah! I cooked it. You gotta focus, Wesley. Now's not the time to be thinking about number 2s. Unless you want to go in your pants right now. Mount Rainier. Rainier Road. Paradise Road, baby. P Road, P Road. Whoa! Watch this. Flick that. Flick the bean a little bit. There it is. Whoa! You seeing this? We're heading up into the heavens. We got a Mazda MX-5. It's always a good sign. Very good handling on that car. Necessary on this road. We are almost at the Reflection Lake. How is there a lake on top of the mountain? It must have happened from heavy rainfall, I'm assuming. From the younger dryas period. You see that? Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. That was the 10,000 years of heavy rain. Filled up a lake, perhaps. Maybe there was this was a volcano, and it sealed up, and then it filled with water at the top. Yes. Where's the Rainier? Oh, there it is right there! Yo, look at that! Dude, let's go! That's what I'm talking about. Every now and then you get a glimpse of it. Brings you back to life. Whoa! That's awesome. Look at these people. It's a good view right there. There's a grand view. I have to flip around to get that one. Get that picture. Whoa, it's a good view.
A few minutes later.
We've made it. I found a secret grotto to the lake. We're going in. Yeah. Yes. Get some of that. Yes. Dude. Mount Rainier. Right over there. Let me touch the water. Yeah. Oh, it's fresh. It's fresh water. Yeesh. Let's smile. Why did I do this? Yeah. Crawling through. Stupid. Yeah. There's a good view. We have made it to Mount Rainier, Washington State, all the way from Florida, across the country. Beautiful ride, blessed with beautiful weather, beautiful water. Down here, not from up there. Look at that. Now tomorrow we're gonna head southeast towards Yellowstone National Park. So stick around. Let's go for a ride. Let's get some.